Compressed air can contain unwanted contaminants like water vapours, oil and dust. Now, if untreated, you're not only impairing the health of your workers, but risk corrosion, product damage and equipment breakdown. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Atlas Copco's F, FX and FD series of refrigerant dryers help eliminate moisture from compressed air by providing clean, dry air with a stable pressure dew point as low as 3 degrees Celsius. The company's range of air filters like the UD Plus series with 2-in-1 filtration and revolutionary in-pass integrated bypass technology means your pneumatic tools and processes will be protected like never before. And you'll have peace of mind with all products tested to meet the most stringent of air purity standards for high performance and reliability. All filters are certified to standards such as ISO 8573-1 and ISO 12500 with filter designs approved by CE, ASME and AS 1210 where applicable. So, if you're searching for an energy efficient, cost-effective, compressed air treatment solution to protect your processes, well, look no further. Go to atlascopco.com/en-au or call them 1-800-023-469. And thanks for watching.